Hey guys, here's number 14 and 15 for your test review. So notice all it says is graph the functions. So when they say graph the functions, you get to choose the easiest and best way to do it. This, I hope you recognize, is set up to find each of the intercepts. We only need 2 points to graph, so I'm just going to start off finding the x and y intercepts. So if I have 2x plus 4y equals 8, first I'm going to find the x-intercept. I know at the x-intercept, y equals 0. So I'm just going to go, sorry, I got to switch markers. I'm going to go negative 2x plus 4 times 0 equals 8. 4 times 0 is 0, so I'm left with negative 2x equals 8. Divide each side by negative 2, x would equal negative 4. So now I have my x-intercept. I'm just going to go to my graph. I'm going to put a mark at negative 4. There's my x-intercept. Now I'm going to find my y-intercept. So I'm going to erase this. If you need this, make sure you go back and look in the video. My y-intercept, I know x equals 0. So I start with negative 2 times 0 plus 4 times y equals 8. So now negative 2 times 0, that goes away. I'm at 4y equals 8. Divide each side by 4. Y would equal 2. Now I have my y-intercept of 2. And all I have to do is connect them. And since you're going to be doing this on your test by hand, I'm not going to take off points for it not looking great. I just need to make sure that it looks somewhat straight and that you'll be able to do most of it here by yourself. And then if you draw it by hand, it'll look okay. All right. Now, f of x equals negative 3/4 x plus 2. This one is set up not to find the intercepts. This one is set up in slope-intercept form of a line. Okay? So if I'm in slope-intercept form of a line, all I have to do is, okay, my m is negative 3/4. My b is 2. So I'm going to start at my b, which is 2, and put a point. My slope is my rise over my run. So from this point, I just go down 3. I'll do this in another color so I can put it up there. I go down 3 over 4. And now I have my second point. All I have to do is connect the points. And that's my line. So I'm going to be looking for the main points to go through. So if your graph is off a little bit, it'll be okay, but it shouldn't be way off. Okay? All right. That takes care of 14 and 15 for your test.